Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some super easy ways to boost your iPhone network signal. So let's get started. Solution 1. Select your carrier manually. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Mobile Service. Then tap Network Selection. By default, it's set to Automatic. Turn that off. And then simply select your carrier from the list. Solution 2. Turn airplane mode on and off. Swipe down to open the control center. Turn airplane mode on. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back off. Solution 3. Use Wi-Fi calling. If your mobile signal is weak but your Wi-Fi is strong, Wi-Fi calling can help. Go to Settings app. Scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Then again scroll down and tap on Phone. Then tap Wi-Fi calling and turn it on. Solution 4. Switch between LTE, 5G and 4G. Sometimes one network bands work better than others. Open Settings app. Tap on Mobile Data. Then tap Voice and Data. Try switching between LTE, 5G and 4G. Solution 5. Restart your iPhone. And finally, if your signal is still weak, just restart your iPhone. A quick reboot can fix a lot of small network glitches. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.